Hi students, in this video we will see the question answers of our earth in our care. What do you want to do? I want to keep my surroundings clean. And plant more trees. If you decide to help Kunal, what will you do? List 3 ways. First one, I will water the plants every day. Second one, I will put garbage in the dustbin. Third one, I will not pluck leaves and flowers of plants. Tick only the things you would like to see in and around your neighborhood. Road without potholes, glowing street light, dustbin with lid, trees, river, park. Now we will see the question answers of Go Green Plant World. Do all of us look alike? No, will not look same, will look different from each other. Do all the plants also look alike? No. If yes, then how? If no, then why? Like us, plants too don't look alike, as they are different in size and shape. The big and strong plants are called dash. Unscramble the given word. So the answer is trees. Trees. The big and strong plants are called trees. Name 3 of your favorite fruits that grow on trees. Mango, guava, apple. Dash are smaller than trees but are still strong. Unscramble the word. Shrubs. S H R U B S. Shrubs are smaller than trees but are still strong. Some plants are much smaller than trees and shrubs. They have soft stems and roots. They are weak and don't grow very high. They don't live for long. We call them dash. Unscramble the word. Herbs. Herbs. We call them herbs. Are all plants strong? No. Some plants are strong, some plants are weak. Think of 3 things that can provide support for such plants to grow. First one, string. S-T-R-I-N-G, string. Second one, wooden stick. W-O-O-D-E-N-S-T-I-C-K, wooden stick. Third one, wall. W-A-L-L, wall. Dash grow vertically and spread across with the support of sticks and walls among other things. Unscramble the word. Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Dash spread along the ground. Unscramble the word. Creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers spread along the ground. Activity. Name the type of plant on which these fruits, vegetables and flowers grow. First one is apple. Apple grows on tree. Trees have strong stem. Tomato. Tomato is a herb because it has soft stem. Mango. Mango grow on trees. Onion. Onion plant has soft stem, so it is herb. Rose plant is a shrub. Tulsi plant is shrub. Grapes is a climber. Hibiscus is shrub. Jasmine is shrub. Fenugreek plant is herb. We will continue next part in the next video. Thank you.